Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to bulk edit your contacts. So if you're like me, I have a lot of contacts here, 745. It can get a little bit overwhelming. I have imported a bunch of new contacts that I know I need to tag them or change their tags. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started to bulk edit several different contacts all at once. Starting off, you're going to head over your contacts area and you should see all of your contacts here. Okay. Now, these little clicking boxes here, you want to choose the ones that you want to change. So I'm just going to choose the top ones that I've just added here. And there's a few things that can happen. Once you've clicked one of these, you'll see that this new menu has popped up here. It'll tell you how many contacts you've selected, and it'll show us different things that we can do to those contacts. So first of all, I'm going to talk about tags. Here we can choose the tags, and you want to have tags to help you understand who you're looking for, and it makes it really easy for you to be more personalized towards when you're finding certain people. So maybe you found these specific people at a conference. So I'm going to add this here. And you can add any tag just by typing. Otherwise, you're going to see the other tags that you've already imported here that you can choose all of these as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add those tags, and we'll see those start to show up here. Now, if you wanted to remove any saying, oh no, these two people were not at the conference. So basically we can go back up here to tags, choose remove tags, and then choose the one we'd like to remove. It's as simple as that. So you can bulk edit several different contacts all at once. Let me show you also, maybe these people here have also become a different contact type. So you can come up here and choose contact type and either change it to a lead, customer, other, maybe their personnel. So I'm going to go ahead and change them over to customer and click apply. All right, and we've successfully updated those contacts. Now, to also show you some of the other things we can do, say we don't need these guys anymore, or actually before that, what if we would like to download them? You can choose download. It will automatically download a CSV for you to easily import or export these contacts elsewhere. And then also here at more, we might find that maybe they're very similar or they're the same person. In this case, it's not true, but you could choose to merge them. You could also choose to delete them. You'll have a confirmation here as well before you choose to delete them. So I also want to show you how easy it is to edit all of them at the same time if that's what's necessary. You can choose this box here at the top. It'll choose only the first 25 that are here on this first page. However, oh, we can choose to select all, and then it will select all of them. And in this case, if we needed to change the tags, the contact type, it can change all of those all at the same time. So just wanted to show you how easy it is to keep yourself organized in Craftify AI. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and happy crafting.